In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to target Facebook competitor page audience, and it is a very good option to use, and like for sure you will get very good response, as I has tried on some of my client project and I'm getting very good response from this promotion. And this is the website of mine. If somebody is looking for the advanced PPC training, like he or she can contact me regarding this. So let's start. As I'm onto the Facebook AdWords interface, so I hope you're aware of this interface. So just giving you an idea how to use this option so that you can try on your project, right? So let me choose this option, send people to your website, and randomly I'm mentioning my website here to just proceed with this step. Done. This is the website of mine. I click to the continue option. Then to target your competitor audience, what you have to do, this is the normal setting. I hope you're aware of all these settings, how to implement, how to set. Just showing you the direct option from where you can target your Facebook competitors and audience of all those who are in connection with that page. So in interest option, let's say I'm into real estate business, I'm just giving you an idea. So what you have to do, I know like 99acre, Magic Bricks, these are some big firms, those who are already have their good market as if now. So what I'll do, I'll target those audience. So 99acre, as soon as I enter the company name, it will by default show you the option here. So I choose this 99acre, and automatically some of the competitors name he have recommended to me, so I can choose from here Magic Bricks, India Property, Real Estate Development. Like this I can choose some of the options here. So these all are my competitor, as I know, and accordingly, like now I'm not targeting the normal audience, I'm targeting all those audience who are already in connection with those competitors page. So accordingly my ads will run on the competitors page, and I can get more of the relevant traffic on my website. So this is just an idea. So whatever business you are running, so accordingly find some competitors of yours and search it in interest category. Automatically it will give you the option to choose, and accordingly your ads will run on the relevant targets only. So this is the one way you can target your competitor audience. With that, just an idea I'm giving you. Rest of the things is like quite simple, the same which you used to do normally in your Facebook campaign settings or in AdWords settings. Rest of the things is same. So this is the one method which I have used like for most of my clients, and it's very responsive. Like conversion cost comparison to normal targeting is coming very less. So this is the one way you can target, just giving you an idea. And the second way, just showing you, not giving you the live project tutorial, like not showing you on the live project, just giving the idea how to implement this so that you can try it on your project by showing you the steps. So there is one more option in tools. As soon as you clicked on tool, you will go to this audience option. In audience option, it will give you an option to create a custom audience. This is the customer list. This we use it for the remarketing. If somebody is coming on your website, this website traffic option, and you want to remarket on Facebook, so wheresoever he will again come on Facebook, so the same advertisement will chase him. And this is the customer list. This is very important. I've recently used this feature, and like very good response we got on client project. So I'm just sharing you an idea how to use this. In this option, like I have used this option, copy and paste your custom list. In this, what you have to do, like you can target audiences like those by using email, phone number, or mobile advertiser ID. So most of the agencies, they have advertiser IDs of customers. So like what you have to do, you have to paste all those. Like let's say I'm targeting a Gmail ID. So like this is the random one Gmail ID, I have mentioned it here, and I want to target my advertisement like on Facebook. If someone using this email ID on Facebook, so like on his profile my ads will appear. So what you have to do, copy it from Excel. I have copied on Excel, and choose an option here, email. If someone wants to target, if somebody is having a collection phone number data, so like he can target according to the phone number. If some agency is having like data of advertisers ID, no matter of mobile or desktop computer, so you have to paste it here. So accordingly on those IDs on those number or on those email IDs, automatically your ad will appear on those profiles. So what I'll do, I'll paste it here. So as I've copied from there, pasted here, this is the email option I opted because I'm entering email IDs here, I'm targeting email IDs. So all those who have Facebook account on this email ID, so they can see my advertisement. So this is the custom audience which I'm creating, which I want to target. So that's it, simple, create audience. It is uploading here. And one more thing I would like to tell you, as I have pasted that option there, in at a time minimum 20 feeds you have to enter at a time. Like if you will enter 5 or 10, it will not accept. Bare minimum 20 you have to enter it, then only you can create a custom audience. So as I'll give this name, anything like randomly I'm giving a name. PPC course custom audience, just a random name I have given, and my website name ppcexpertclasses.com. There we go. Because what most of the agencies they do, they have a like email collections and like phone number collections of the customers. They track everything, and accordingly if they want to target their services or product, like so that they can target. So this is we done with the option done. So it is showing me here, this is the list of mine. After some time it will get updated. This is the list of mine. Now like I'm done with the list. Now I have to connect this list with my targeting. So what I'll do, I'll go to this option, manage AdWords. Here I'll go to the create ads at top. Then I'll choose any of the option. You can opt any of the option. It's not mandatory like we have to use this option only. You can choose any of the option. So I'm going with this option. Done. Continue. Just showing you, I'm not showing you the live project, not implementing on the live project, just give you an idea how to use this option. Like here it will give you the option new audience. As I click to this, it will give you an option of save audience. Just wait for a moment. Here only it will give option. Yes, so like the option you will get here only, like as soon as you click to the custom audience, this option, like automatically this is the list which I have created. You have to select it. So there we go. So my targeting is done. So what I have to do, rest I have to target my locations, and like I'm not no need to target these options because we have connected like this list. So all those who are included in this list, only to those guys like my ad will like Facebook will target my ad to them. Rest of the things is same, like budget you have to set, ads you have to opt, and the like these are the types of feeds which you want to run. Choose it or remove it, and then place order, then add your card, and then you can run your advertisement. So this is the way like through which you can create a custom list, and you can target only to those only to those customers which you want to target by using email ID, by using phone number, or by using their advertiser ID. So like whatever things agencies will provide you, or company will give you the data, target accordingly and see the response. You can test it. So if you will get response, run it. If you will not get, then use the normal settings which you are running. So this is what I would like to show you in this tutorial. It's just an idea I have given you. So if somebody knows, so like he's already implementing all these things. If somebody not know how to use all these things, then like better to use this option once. So this is what I would like to show you in this tutorial. Have a good day. Thank you.